In this video, we will be discussing rotating in 3D. If you'd like to follow on with this video, please open the file rotatingin3d.dwg located in the Working Files folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. You use the 3D Rotate gizmo to reorient objects in 3D space. During the operation of the command, you select the objects to rotate and specify the axis to rotate about. You can rotate about the X, Y, Z axis of the current UCS, or you can define a new orientation by placing the Rotate Grip tool on the face of a solid model. So let's first go ahead and move the bookcase to the corner of the wall right here. We'll first go ahead and select it. Notice how the Move gizmo is already selected, so we're good to go. But now we simply have to reorient the gizmo to be located there. We'll go ahead and pick this grip here and move it to the endpoint of the wall, like so. Now, with it still selected, I can go to the Selection panel, Gizmo dropdown, and select Rotate Gizmo. I'll now need to simply move this to this location here. And then now you hover over one of the axes that you want to rotate about. I'll go ahead and pick the blue one. We'll simply snap to 270 and we are done. Let's go ahead and do the same thing to this door. So I'll first make a selection set of the door and the knob, and I'll move the gizmo to that location there. And we'll go ahead and pick the axis to rotate about. As we start rotating, we notice there's a problem. We need to reorient the gizmo to the UCS defined at the edge of this door right here. So simply right click, select Custom Gizmo, and I'll go ahead and snap to the endpoint of that face right there. Go ahead and go to the endpoint like so, and then we'll go straight up, locking polar tracking, then pick, and now that we've reoriented it to the correct axis, we'll pick this green one, and notice how it now uses that one as a means by which to rotate. We'll go ahead and snap to the endpoint of the doorway, and now we've got it closed. So you're not limited to rotating objects as we just have done. You can also rotate objects within a composite model. I'll hold down the Control key on the keyboard and select this subcomponent of this solid, and notice how I can simply rotate it however I need to. I can do it that way, and rotate it that way, and so on. It has still maintained itself as one entity, but it allows you to rotate these subcomponents. Really great tools.